Solve for x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0 by recognizing it as a perfect square trinomial. We observe that the given equation has the form of a perfect square trinomial. To confirm, we compare it with the general form open bracket x minus b close bracket squared and look for matching coefficients. Comparing coefficients, we determine that a equals 2 and b equals 3, which means our equation can be expressed as a perfect square of a binomial, open bracket 2x minus 3 close bracket squared equals 0. Since the square of any real number cannot be 0 unless the number itself is 0, we set the binomial 2x minus 3 equal to 0 to solve for x. Solving the linear equation 2x minus 3 equals 0 for x, we find x equals 3 over 2.